Hello beauties, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Kelly. Today I'm here with a promoted video by WILDGRAIN. WILDGRAIN. So we are going to do the unboxing together. So this is the WILDGRAIN. What is WILDGRAIN? It's a company that makes some artisanal pastry and bread and pasta, like here. So in this box, what we have here. So here we have our sourdough, walnut sourdough that we are going to bake. Some croissant. If you use my referral link, you will get free croissant with your box each month. Okay, I will link the link in my description box. Okay, and I have one fettuccine. We are going to make a recipe with a yummy recipe with that. One tonarelli. Some good pasta, and here I have a slow fermented olive oil ciabatta. This is my first time. I'm going to try it and I'll show you guys how it looks like. And here we have some raspberry lemon biscuits. Sounds good. Sounds looking yummy. Okay, and last we have some plain sourdough bread. So what's gonna happen with this? I have a promo code for this subscription. Okay guys, for the first 50 people who are going to click on my referral link to purchase this, you are going to get $10 off from your first order, from your first box. But each month getting this box, you are going to have free croissant each month. And before you can use my promo code, you are going to use it through my link. You have to click on my link. When you click on my link, you subscribe, you use the promo code, you will get your reduction, and these boxes are going to come to your door each month. Okay, so guys, we are going to try. What are we going to try right now with this? We are going to try the croissant, one croissant, and maybe one pasta fettuccine, or maybe the walnut sourdough. I will choose. Okay, let's go guys. So we are about to bake the croissant. The instruction on this is you put it in your oven for 380 for 18 to 22 minutes. So this is good for your digestion. They are vegetarian, not vegan, because they can contain eggs, but they are vegetarian. Really good for your gut, for your digestion. So if you are one of those people who struggle with your digestion when you consume anything like pasta or flour, I would recommend WILDGRAIN for you. Okay, so let's bake it. They're ready. Let's see. That looks so good, and the smell, my kitchen is smelling so good. My WILDGRAIN croissant is ready. Little bun of the bowl, but that's fine. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Click on my description box on the link with your discount code. If you click on my referral link, you will get your 10% off for your first box, and each box will come with this fluffy and smelling good croissant. We are going to taste it right now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this croissant, guys. I urge you, go click on the link in my description box. You will get your discount, $10 off for your first month. And guys, note this, so only those first 50 people will get the sale price and the promotion, 10%, no, $10 off, and each month they will get this yummy croissant free coming with the WILDGRAIN box. Okay, so now let's try. My son is gonna try it because he loves croissant. Croissant is his favorite. Ooh, see that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. See how crunchy it is on the outside, and the inside is so fluffy, moist. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. Let's try it. And don't forget the benefit side of it. It's all natural and help you with your gut, your digestion. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you are not subscribed yet, guys, go ahead, subscribe, click on the link, order your box. You'll get 10% off, and you let me know later. You come and thank me. Thank you. Bye bye.